In this video, pag-uusapan naman natin ano ang cryptocurrency. So basic muna tayo Yan, especially sa mga papasimplihin ko lang yung explanation so that alam mo yun, kahit ordinaryong tao, maintindihan kung ano to. So basic lang naman gagawin natin. Punta tayo sa YouTube University. So ayan, search nyo lang, what is cryptocurrency?
Cryptocurrencies are a digital form of money. Like money, they enable people or companies to transact, do business, or make trades with one another. Just like there are many different types of money like the dollar, euro, or yen, there are many different cryptocurrencies.
So yun, kanina sinabi lang niya, ang cryptocurrency basically is a digital money. So kumbaga pera sa internet, ayan, in layman's term. Okay, so ayan.
Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency ever.
Ay, kanina may pinakita siya. So currency, sa ginagamit natin ngayon, we use coins and then paper bills. Ayan, yung mga papel na pera. So sa internet naman, or sa crypto naman, or digital space, meron tayong Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other coins. So itong nauna, naunang cryptocurrency na nag-exist is si Bitcoin, which is 2008 pa.
Ever created, and it's the most well-known.
Yan, sikat
It
din.
was created in 2008 by Satoshi Nakamoto, but no one knows who Satoshi is, or even if Satoshi is one person or an entire group of people.
So yan, basically si Satoshi Nakamoto daw kasi siya yung author ng white paper. So siya yung gumawa nun. Hindi natin alam kung walang nakilala kung sino yon or kung isang tao ba yan or group of people. Okay?
Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies differ from traditional money in a few important ways. First, cryptocurrencies are completely digital. There are no Bitcoin bills or coins like with traditional money. With cryptocurrencies, all
So yan, crypto is completely digital. Walang crypto na papel or coin na nag-exist physically gaya ng barya na meron tayo.
transactions are recorded digitally on a blockchain. We'll explain how.
Yan, yung blockchain, medyo komplikado pa yan siguro sa inyo. But after neto, explain ko naman yung blockchain. So, yung mga cryptocurrency, gumagamit yan ng mga blockchain technology na tinatawag.
Here in a moment. Second, cryptocurrencies are decentralized, which means no single person, company, or government creates or manages it. Traditional money requires a central group, like a bank or government, to manage the amount of money in the world.
So ayan, ang cryptocurrency ay decentralized, meaning walang kumokontrol dyan. Kahit entity or tao or institution o kung sino man, compared doon sa mga centralized. Halimbawa yung pera natin, peso, yan, Philippine peso bill, Philippine pesos, in which yung government ang nagdidikta na yung pera na meron tayo ngayon is nagkakahalaga ng ganun. So kunwari, yung isa, yan, may 1,000 tayo, papel lang naman talaga to na may konting plastic na ngayon. Pero because government said so na ito ay may value na 1,000 pesos and can be exchanged doon sa mga products or services na nagkakahalaga rin ng 1,000.
And keep track of every transaction to make sure everyone is telling the truth. Unlike traditional money, cryptocurrencies don't need a central group because they use blockchain technology. A blockchain is like a shared record book that keeps track of every single transaction that takes place. That record book can't be changed and is constantly reviewed by a network of computers all over the world. Having this peer-to-peer network.
So ayan na nabanggit nila na sabihin natin yung mga transactions kasi sabihin natin sa traditional way is alam mo yon, pwede ka magsinungaling na hindi di nangyari yung transaction between us, hindi kami nagkaroon ng palitan ng pera o nagkaroon ng currency. Dito sa crypto hindi kasi yung transaction is na-connect sa blockchain and mga computers all around the globe or all around the world. So explain ko naman ng malalim pa yung blockchain mamaya. So cryptocurrency lang tayo basic.
Network validate every transaction creates trust, so no single central group is required. Third, cryptocurrencies are 24/7. The internet doesn't have working hours or days that it needs to be closed, so crypto is a lot faster and more flexible than traditional money. Isn't the internet cool? Finally, cryptocurrencies are secure and transparent. Remember the blockchain we were talking about? Every cryptocurrency transaction gets
So ayan, secure and transparent siya. Kumbaga you can't lie with it dahil nga dito sa blockchain technology.
logged in an open source public record book that is visible to everyone, aka the blockchain. So no one can change the records, ever. Every transaction that has ever been recorded, that's ever occurred, can be reviewed and validated.
So ayan, basically cryptocurrency is digital asset or currency na nasa internet in which gumagamit to ng blockchain technology so that alam mo hindi niya kailangan ng mga government or kung ano man, kung ano yung value ng currency. So example yan, Bitcoin, Ethereum at kung ano-ano pa. So next naman pag-usapan natin ano ba yung blockchain. So ayan, YouTube University tayo ulit.
Contain